Okay, now junior 3, open your booklet, page 68. I have new lesson talking about the unconventional halves. He wants here represent the half of the whole shape, okay? So I will get the half of this shape. How to get this? Number one, we count how many parts you have, the total part, okay? In first, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, okay? What is the half of 4? Yes, I will make divided here. 4 divided 2. It will be, yes, 2. So I will color the 2 parts to represent half of this shape. We notice here what? Here I have 2 parts colored, and the uncolored part is also 2. When you have colored part equal uncolored part, that's meaning represent half, okay? Number 2, I have here circle, divided it in 4 parts. So I have the total part is 4. 4 divided 2, or the half of 4 is, yes, 2. So I will color 2 parts. Number 3, the all parts here is, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the half of 8, yes, I will make divided. 8 divided 2, it will be 4. So here I will color 4 parts to represent half. Okay, number 4, I have here square, divided it in 4 parts. 4 equal parts, okay? So the half of 4, yes, it's 2. So I will color 2 parts to get or to represent the half of this shape. Okay, number 5, count how many parts you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the half of 12 is, yes, 12 divided 2 is 6. So I will color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts to represent half. And the last one I have here circle, divided it in 8 parts, 8 equal parts. And the half of 8, yes, it's 4. So I will color 4 parts to represent half. Now you understand how to get half of any whole shape. Please take your screenshot and answer it in your booklet, page 68. Now, I have here in 69, calculating half of the area of rectangle. Okay, I have 3 ways to get the half of area of rectangle. Number 1, I will calculate the whole area. What the meaning of the whole area? Remember with me, the area of rectangle equal length times width. So I will calculate the whole of area, and then I will get the half. And we say it before, how to get the half of any shape. Yes, make it divided 2. The second way, I will divide it the length, okay, in two equal parts. Or the way number 3, I will divide the width in two equal parts. Okay, let's start with the example number 1. Here he say Omar has a rectangular garden. It's 6 meters by 10 meters. He collected the exactly half of the rose planted in his garden. Find the area of the garden by the roses that are left using the 3 ways. He wants here to get the area left. Yes. Okay, by 3 ways. Okay, the first way I say it, we get the whole of area. So I will get the area of rectangle. I have in rectangle 2 dimensions, length and width. So I will make times between them. And step number 2, I will divide the whole area divided by 2. So I have here the 2 dimensions, 6 times 10, it will be 60 meters squared. And the half of area, that's meaning I will get, yes, 60 divided 2. And 60 divided 2, I will drop 0, and 6 divided 2, it will be 3. So it will be 30 meters squared. Okay, the second way, I will draw the rectangle by 2 dimensions, 10 meter and 6 meter. I will divide the width. Okay, I make line to divide the width. I have in the whole rectangle, the dimension is 10 and 6. Okay, this is 10 and 6. I will make a line between them. So 6 divided 2, it will be, yes, 3. So each one part equals 3 meters. And now I will I will calculate the small rectangle. Okay, with 2 dimensions, 10 and 3. So I will make times between 3 and 10. It will be 30 meters squared. Okay. The third way, I will draw the rectangle, but here I don't divided the width, I divided the length. Okay, I will draw the rectangle with 2 dimensions, 10 and 6, but here I will divide the length. So I will divide 10 in 2 parts. 10 divided 2, it will be, yes, 5 meters. Okay, now the small rectangular I have 2 dimensions, 6 and 5, not 10, okay, because I want the half of rectangle. So the area of the half rectangle equal 5 times 6 equal 30 meters squared. This is the 3 ways to get the half of area. Okay, the second, number 2, Ahmed wants to paint a hole in his room. He wants to paint it using 2 colors, okay, blue and white. If the wall is 8 meters by 6 meters, find the area of the white colored part only. Okay, here I have a rectangle with 2 dimensions, 8 and 6. So at first, the first way, get the whole area. So 6 times 8 equal, yes, 48. And the second step here, we will divide it 48 divided by 2. And 4 divided 2 equal 2, and 8 divided 2 equal 4. Okay? The second way, I will draw the rectangle with 2 dimensions, 6 and 8. Here I will divide it the length, so I will divide it 8 in 2 parts. So 8 divided 2 equal, yes, 4 meters, sorry. So I will get the small rectangle here, or the half of rectangle, with 2 dimensions, 6 and 4. So 4 times 6 equal 24 meters squared. The third way, I will make the rectangle with 2 dimensions, 8 and 6, but here I will divide it the width. So I will divide it the 6 meter in 2 parts equal. So 6 divided 2, it will be 3. And the half of area here, I have rectangle with 2 dimensions, 3 and 8. Yes, so 3 times 8, it will be 24 also. I have 3 ways to get the half of area. Choose the easy for you and solve the problem, okay? Don't forget, make it in your booklet, okay? Next, in page 70, calculate the area of colored parts. I have here rectangle, but here he divided this rectangle in 2 lengths or in 2 widths, okay? He make here line to divide the lengths, so he make 14 divided 2. Okay, he make a line here, he divided the lengths. So to get the half of length, yes, 14 divided 2, it will be 7 meter. Each one equals 7. So the small rectangular has 2 dimensions, 7 and 10. So 10 times 7 equal, yes, 70 meters squared. Now letter B, I have a rectangle, but here he divided, yes, the width. Okay, and the width is 8 centimeters. So 8 divided 2, the half of 8 is 4 centimeters. So I have here the small rectangular, or the half of rectangle, with 2 dimensions, 4 and 12. So make times between 12 and 4. Okay, but here I have the number is biggest number, so I divided the 12 by using the distribution property. 12 times 4, I will divide the 12 in 2 numbers, 10 and 2, and make a distribution between the 10 times 4 plus 2 times 4 to get the 48 in finally result. Okay, letter C, I have here a rectangle. Here he divided what, junior 3? The length or width? Yes, he wants here get the half of width. So he divided 12 in 2 parts. 12 divided 2 equal, yes, 6 meters. So I have a rectangle with 2 dimensions, 16 and 6. So 16 times 6, it will be, I will divide it 16 in 2 numbers. 16 is 10 plus 6. Okay, So 6 times 10 plus 6 times 6, it will be 96 meters squared. Letter D, here he divided what? The length or the width? Yes, the length. So he divided here 10 centimeter in 2 parts. So each part equal, yes, 5. So I have rectangle with 2 dimensions, 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 equal, yes, 30 centimeters squared. This is the half of a rectangle. Okay, junior 3, take your screenshot and answer it please in page 70. Now you understand how to get the half of the area of rectangle by 3 ways. The first, when you get the whole area and make the whole area. Okay, junior 3, here page 71, I have a new problem. Riham has a 90 square meter of rectangular garden. She needed to plant roses and tulip in 2 equal area of 8 meter length and 5 meter width. So I have a rectangle with 2 dimensions, 8 meters and 5 meters, okay? And plant the remainder land with fruit. Number 1, he wants the area of garden planted with roses. Okay, to get the area of planted roses, I will make, yes, 8 times 5. Because he said up, she needed to plant roses and tulip in 2 equal area with 8 meter length and 5 meter width. Okay, so 8 times 5 equal 40 meters squared. Okay, what about the tulip? Yes, it is the same area, so it's equal 8 times 5 also equal 40 meters squared. Letter C, the total area of the land planted with flower. Okay, so I will make here what? Yes, plus between tulip and roses. So total area equal 40 plus 40 equal 80 meters squared. Letter D, the area which left to plant with fruits. He wants the left area. Okay, so I will make minus here between the area you have it and the total area planted with flowers. Okay, so I will make minus here between 90 and 80. It will be, yes, 10 meters squared. Okay, junior 3, this is the all of about the area of rectangle and the half of area of rectangle. Please answer it in your booklet, page 71. Don't forget it. And thank you.